Imagine savoring the crispy golden brown bites of fried cod, a seafood treasure that won't empty your wallet. This dish is not just a delight for your taste buds, it's a champion for families and individuals seeking affordable, satisfying meals. With its flaky texture and mild flavor, this dish is quite versatile, lending itself to various seasonings, dips, and sides. Enjoy crispy cod with a side of homemade slaw, some mashed potatoes, or fries, and treat yourself to flavorful seafood without compromise. Fried cod is your ticket to indulgence on a budget.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second.